Manufacturing operations are generating more data than ever. Some advanced factories produce up to 10 petabytes of data annually. Yet much of this data remains underutilized, limiting the potential of AI-driven transformation. From design to production to supply chain optimization, every aspect of manufacturing is turning to advanced analytics, AI, and even generative AI to boost efficiency, quality, and throughput. But traditional IT infrastructure can't keep up with these demands. That's why smart factories need a new kind of infrastructure. The Dell AI Factory with Nvidia, powered by PowerScale, brings the performance, scale, and intelligence needed to transform the future of manufacturing. It starts with capturing and processing data at the edge, right on the factory floor, by edge-optimized compute infrastructure. Some of this data may stay on compute devices in your edge environments, running manufacturing applications and managing inferencing tasks, which simplifies operations and enables faster, real-time decision-making. The seamless flow of data between the edge and the data center helps to ensure that AI capabilities are continuously refined and optimized to drive smarter manufacturing. Data from the